Hey guys, Tiffany the trainer coming to you from Fit Bodies with an instructional video on how to properly use the hack squat. So the hack squat is a plate loaded hack squat. So here is where you will load your plates. But as I recommend for any type of machinery, always get yourself underneath of the machinery before you put any weights on it, because sometimes they are super light and sometimes they are super heavy. This hack squat is heavy, so you always want to get under it and feel it before you ever put weight onto it. So again, plate loaded for this video. I'm not going to load plates though, but you will load your plates on each side. Always make sure it is an even amount of plates on each side. Don't do a 45 on one side and nothing on the other. Make sure you always put the same amount of weight on each side. So with this, you will step up on the platform. There's two different ways that you can use this. You can go forward, technically this is the reverse way, but the handle to unlock the machine is right here. So what you'll do, you'll get your stance, you'll stand up, unlock the handle, get your stance again, properly blow out your core, and you're going to go straight down and back up. To relock it, stand up nice and straight, pull the handle in, bring the machinery down slowly to make sure it is in the spot to be locked out, and then let go of it. All right, and the other way, turn around. If you have bad knees, I would not recommend going this way because it is a lot more pressure on your knees. Same deal, stand up nice and straight, pull out the lever to unlock it. Take your stance, strong core, and squat down. All right, to lock it in, stand up nice and tall, pull the lever in, and bring it down nice and slowly. After you're finished with the machinery, please wipe it down, and please, as always, 101 gym etiquette, put your plates back where they belong. And that's the hack squat.